Welcome to 5 Rollingwood Drive in Rolling Hills Estates. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1520 square foot house with a view. Come, have a look with me. Mid-century modern, one-level home with city and ocean view in a serene and desirable Silver Spur neighborhood of Rollingwood. Nostalgic kitchen to the left with original cabinetry, a window over sink, a large garden window overlooking a private walkway, washer and dryer hookup with overhead storage cabinets, and glass grid door to a large side yard. Open living and dining room with high ceilings, built-in shelves, fireplace, new light fixtures and new carpet, bay window, and paneled sliding glass doors overlooking the backyard with a view. Adjoining room with built-in bookcases and glass sliding door, currently being used as a den but can easily be converted to a bedroom. Second bedroom with a large bay window and mirror closet door. Hallway bathroom with a bathtub and cabinet over toilet. Primary bedroom with the original hardwood floor, wall-to-wall closet with storage above, and a sliding glass door to another side yard. Recently updated attached primary bathroom with a floating sink and shower with a built-in bench. Hallway with lots of storage spaces on both sides. Home is upgraded with a tankless water heater and central air conditioning. Large backyard with a deck and a gazebo, with city lights and Queen's Necklace view. Friendly and welcoming tree-lined neighborhood within boundaries of award-winning Silver Spur Elementary and PVIS. If you would like to tour this property in person, or if you have any real estate questions that I could assist with, feel free to reach out to me. My information is listed below. Thanks for watching and see you again soon.